Have you ever wondered what gives darkwave music its distinctively moody and atmospheric texture, that sense of electronic melancholy and spaciousness? It is an immersive world built on sonic architecture. Dominant synthesizers are absolutely fundamental to shaping darkwave's unique sound, defining its atmospheric, melancholic, and often driving sonic identity. They are not merely accompanying instruments but the very core of the genre's sonic landscape, providing its essential textures, melodies, and rhythmic backbone. This is primarily because synthesizers offer unparalleled control over sound generation, allowing artists to craft specific timbres and emotional qualities. Through various synthesis methods, such as subtractive, FM, and wavetable synthesis, producers can create everything from warm analog pads to sharp, cold leads and complex, evolving textures. Additionally, onboard effects like reverb, delay, chorus, and flanging are integral, expanding the synthesized sounds into vast, cavernous spaces or creating unsettling pulsations. The ability to layer multiple synth tracks, each contributing a different sonic element, allows for rich, dense soundscapes that build a sense of introspection and often foreboding tension. To recognize this influence, listen for the clear separation of synthesized elements within a darkwave track. You will typically hear distinct synth leads carrying the primary melody, deep and often sequenced synth basslines providing rhythmic drive and harmonic foundation, and expansive synth pads filling the background with sustained, atmospheric washes. Observe how these electronic components interact with any traditional drums or vocals, often dictating the overall mood and energy. The synthesizers frequently provide the memorable hooks and the emotional core of the composition, creating a dialogue between human expression and machine precision. What truly sets darkwave apart, and what synthesizers uniquely facilitate, is the creation of machine melancholy or cold wave aesthetics. These electronic tools can evoke a sense of detachment, isolation, and contemplative sadness in a way that acoustic instruments often cannot. Early pioneers of the genre expertly manipulated these machines, drawing inspiration from post-punk's experimental edge and electronic music's developing sound design, to forge a sound that was both futuristic and deeply introspective, resonating with a generation seeking new forms of emotional expression beyond conventional rock music structures. Ultimately, synthesizers are for more than just instruments in darkwave. They are the genre's primary sculptors of atmosphere and emotion. They empower artists to build intricate, layered soundscapes that are simultaneously cold and captivating, providing the profound emotional depth and unique sonic character that defines darkwave music and continually draws listeners into its mesmerizing electronic embrace.